Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back in today to see what I am up to. And I have a couple boxes here that I have a little beauty haul for you. And we're going to start with the top box here. And these other two I'll just put on the floor temporarily. And the first one is a VoxBox from Influenster, and this is a MaureenMcD product. I received this and still have to do my review on Influenster, but I'm more than happy to do that. I don't have to do a YouTube video, but this is, I guess, it says Moody Skin, Influencer, and MaureenMcD. Here, and I think that's everything that's in the box. So you can see the inside of the box. And I would assume this is like a CBD product. Right there. Love MaureenMcD, has great products. Yes, this is the hypoallergenic CBD sensitive skin therapy soothing and hydrating eye cream. And they sent this for me to sample, and I have not tried it yet. I just literally took everything out of packaging. So this one I'm going to have to come back and tell you what I think. So here is the size of the sample. Right here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it does have one of those tops on it, so you can see it. No scent whatsoever, which is good. I really don't like, especially for under my eye, when things have a scent to them. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I will let you know what I think. Their stuff is usually very, very good. Maureen, he's heavy into the sciences and usually does make very good products. This is 15 ml, 0.5 ounces. So soothe skin that flares up for no apparent reason. Okay, this is a new product, hypoallergenic skincare, CBD, sensitive skin therapy. Formulated with clean ingredients, which I like. Free of 26 known allergens, fragrance, gluten, sulfate, silicones, parabens, formaldehyde, which used to be in all the nail polish. Thank God they stopped putting that in. Butylene, propylene glycol, PEG, I don't know what that is. Phthalates, BHA, and BHT. Okay, so then I'll follow all the instructions for Influencer, and I will do what is necessary for this, and then I will let all of you know how that works out. I just have the outer packaging there. And this next box here is from, Boxy Charm. So this is from the Boxy Pop. Had this for about a week or so, just have not even opened it or unpackaged it. I did not get a lot of stuff, just got a few things here that I love. That's it. I'm still waiting for my palette to be replaced, the festival palette. So now we can get rid of that box, which I have right here that from Pure that was damaged, and that is on its way. It's been on its way for a while now. So I got 4 items right here from the Boxy Pop-Up. 2 of them are from Moda brushes, or Moda. These are from Royal and Langnickel, the Moda Pro. And I got these. These are 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. To add in giveaways. So I'm not going to be opening these up this way. And these are 5-piece deluxe eye kit sets. So I figured if you don't have that many brushes, it's always nice to have more for your eyes, to do your eye makeup. If I'm giving palettes away, it's kind of hard if you don't have brushes or like decent brushes. So I'll be putting them in a future giveaway. I love Tula Skincare, and I got a sample, I think it was through Ipsy, if I'm not mistaken, and to try it because I wasn't sure, and I've heard great things about Tula. So I got Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. And I know we received one of these, I think, in a box, but I tried it and loved it, so I wanted another one. So I got this in the Boxy Pop-Up. And this does have like one of those little tops. You just pop this off. Wait. And it truly, here's what it looks like. And it is. I always leave this little cap on because it helps keep the air away from it. And this is wonderful. I've been using my other one, so I wanted a backup. Wonderful, wonderful product. It does exactly what it says. It does brighten under my eyes. It's very cooling just to rub it on. And I just then pat it on with my finger. And like I said, I have one and I wanted a backup because I really do love it. Probiotic skincare. I don't think you can really beat it. And I love that product. I have always loved Dr. Brandt. So I don't think I have this product. And this is the Pore Purifying Cleanser. I have so many of his other products. Lip plumpers and the just so much. I can't even think of all the products I have. They're all in my skincare basket in my bathroom. This I knew I did not have and wanted to try it. And when I saw it on there, I said, yes, please. And, you know, when you get from the pop-up, these items were very cheap compared to what the real price is. And this is with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. And this is Pores No More Pure, cleanser, which I'm all about that. Oily combination skin. I don't really have oily skin, but sometimes I have I think my skin changes over time. I used to be very oily in the T-zone. Now I'm very dry, and I'm not really oily, but sometimes I am. So it's just, and I don't know if it has anything to do with hormones or I honestly don't know anymore. Apply to damp skin, form a rich lather, rinse well with warm water, avoid eyes, use AM and PM. So I wanted to give this a try. So they were the 4 items that I got from the Boxy Pop. 2 of which I will be sharing, and the others I will not. And I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of what this box is. This is BH Cosmetics. Did a little haul from there, and I do believe that the majority of this stuff is for giveaways. And I think this was a free bag. It says Weekend Vibes. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I might give this away in a giveaway. It's like a big tote style bag. I don't use stuff like that, but I'm more than happy to share. And let me just take this out, and this is what the inside looks like. So that just has my address on it. So here, I did get more brushes to be able to share with all of you. When they have sales, their brushes are very, very good. And I did get some palettes. Maybe I'll show you the brushes first. So I have the bag to share. Let me just get all this stuff off of here. So this is the Boxy Pop. So I have, I think I got 2 of each so that I can put them in giveaways. This is the 7-piece brush set. So I do have 2 of these right here. You get a blending brush, a large shader, a small shader, an angled blending brush, pencil brush, fine line brush, and a small angled brush is in here. So I'll show you that one up close. I'm not going to, they're sealed. Yes, they are taped closed, so I'm going to leave them taped closed. This is a very good depiction of what's inside. These are good brushes. I have them myself. I have given them away in the past. Once again, it's kind of hard to give palettes out to people, and they might not have brushes. And not everybody can afford, and these are good brushes. So I figured if I can help you guys along a little bit and give you some brushes along the way, why not? And this is also from them, and this is the Smoky Eye Essential 7-piece brush set. I did buy 2 here, so I'll show 1, and then I'll tell you what's inside. So in here you have a large diffusing tapered brush, a small diffusing tapered brush, a tapered precision brush, an eye shader brush, smudger brush, an eye detailing brush, and a bent liner brush. Pretty good depiction of what's inside, so I did get, so I can include them in giveaways. Then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this set. I don't know if I can open this. Yes. And I'll take them out and then I'll show you the box. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or give it away, so I will not be touching the actual brush heads themselves. Rose Quartz 9-piece brush set. This is what the box looks like. And then this is what the brushes look like. Just open out a little bit. So that's why I don't want to take them out and touch them in case they're not wrapped. But I figured if I don't keep these, I will save these for a giveaway. And in here you have the large angled contour, the powder blush brush, tapered highlighter, a deluxe blending brush, a dense crease brush, a tapered blending brush, precision crease, a flat shader brush, and a detail brush. So there's quite a few in here, and this would basically be a full face set, 9 pieces. So I figured, you know, I do have some other sets. I still have the mermaid. I just have a whole drawer full of brush sets. So I figured I probably won't keep these, so I will. And I only got one. These were a little bit more expensive to possibly include in a giveaway. So this is everything from my haul here. So we have all these brushes here and the Moda brushes and all that good stuff to mainly share in giveaways, not to keep for myself. So that's just a little makeup haul from Boxy Pop and BH Cosmetics, and then my VoxBox. I will get back to you in another video and let you know what I thought about the Perricone product. So once again, I appreciate everyone for watching and supporting the channel. It is greatly appreciated. And I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, happy, and healthy. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now. Can you say I'm an idiot? Sure you can. I never showed you the palettes in the box. I turned off the camera and I'm like, I never showed the palettes. So here they are. I got these for giveaways. I put the box to the side. That's my mistake. I shouldn't do that. These always come very well wrapped. So I figured I would get a couple more palettes to share in future giveaways. I have plenty, but they had such good prices and such a good sale. So, and I'm not going to be opening these just because I don't want to. Yes, I will, because I'm going to be giving them away soon. I have 2 of these, and this is Smitten in Switzerland. And this is a 16 color shadow palette. And I will just show you one. You know, packaging is beautiful. It does have a mirror, so I'm just going to put my receipt in front of the mirror. I'm not going to be removing the shield, and this is what this palette looks like, in case you're interested in getting it from BH Cosmetics. Neutral. Pretty much. Matterhorn, which is an orange. That's not so neutral, but that would be a great pop of color. So that's what this palette is. So I have 2 of them, and they will be included in a giveaway. And then I have 2 of these, and this is Digital Future. Let me hold them both up this way. And this is also a 16 color shadow palette. I don't know if these are sealed. Yeah, these are sealed. Are they sealed? No, I thought they were sealed. So this is what it looks like when you open it. This probably does have a mirror too. Yes. So we'll just block the mirror. And these are smaller pans, and there is a shield. Yes, there's a shield. So I'm going to try to keep that over. So this is a little bit more color. Definitely smaller pans, but still very usable. And that is pretty much a neutral also. Has a blue, a pink, a purple. Very wearable, very cute. And I thought I would share them in an upcoming giveaway. So these are the 2 palettes. There's 2 of each here. So I have 2 of these and 2 of these to give away. So now that, oh, there's a hair right there on the side. And that was string. I thought that was a hair. That was the string from the palette. So I'm going to include these in all the goodies for giveaways and all that. Now that's everything. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.